Ooh, that knocked you in.
That knocked me in?
No, almost. Oh my gosh.
Well, hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video at Morehead Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Well, we're out playing some cornhole right now, but in this video, you guys are going to see something that I actually had to text Gary and Cassie over at Walker Farm Fam, send them a picture of this and say, y'all ever seen this before? I'd never seen it. We're kind of new to the poultry, to the birds of feathers. So we had a turkey hatch that could not stand up, kind of legs are spread apart doing the splits, and kind of concerning. So I sent him a picture. I said, y'all ever seen this? Cassie said yes. Sent me a video, showed me what to do. So you're going to see that here in a little bit in this video. Also, we're going to be moving our adolescent juvenile turkey out of the little brooder and into the big rabbit hutch that we normally put them in. So you guys stick around and don't go anywhere. Alrighty, well, we're over here at the coop and we got a little cleaning to do on this end. Hunter's going to get the little hoe from the garden and we're going to scrape all that out, and then I'm going to go in here while they're doing that and see if
you're gonna need help. He is wild.
I think I can get this thing.
Oh, he's wild.
I might need help, I don't know. Slowly. Easy. He didn't even flog you.
Oh no.
Got it.
Good job.
Woo, that was close.
Hold on to it.
Hold on tight. What you got, sis? Did you catch it?
Yeah.
This thing was hissing at us.
Quick hands. I told you he's wild. You see him?
Yep. He's latching onto this and flapping his wings.
Well, it's in its new home.
I like his new.
Not sure how he'll like it, but it's got more area here to run. So we're going to get that other one bandaged up, and then we will put it where we just took this one from. Alrighty, well, I'm inside. Lindy and the kids are finishing up that pen out there. They're just adding the water to it. So I have this, what Cassie called stretchy tape. I think I call it like ankle tape's what I always called it, because I always had my ankles taped up before basketball or football games and everything, so it's called an ankle tape. I don't know the real name for this kind of tape. It does stretch, so stretchy tape may be a valid name for it. If you guys know what that is, what kind of tape is this? Any of you guys nurse tape? I don't know. Any nurses or doctors or trainers? Chad? Coop? What kind of tape's that? Allison? What kind of tape's that? Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this about a 3-inch piece of this tape, and I'm going to divide it into half. I'm going to use a little narrow band. I'm going to wrap it around one leg and stick it to itself, and then wrap it around the other leg and stick it to itself, to where the legs are about normal operating width apart, shoulder width apart, I guess, on a turkey. So, or hip width apart. So, yeah. All right, here goes nothing. Alrighty, I have my sidekicks here.
Helpers.
My turkey holder, and my video girl.
What? Poor little buddy.
You put that lid back on.
Yeah.
Just gently.
Hey.
Oh, there's literally a turkey hatching right now.
I know.
That little thing.
He's so cute. They gonna fix you up.
Yeah, we'll fix you
I don't
up.
know if it's on good, but
Alright. Let's get it down right here in front of this.
You want to sit down? Oh, you probably won't be able to get back up.
I may need to.
Can we hold him upside down like this?
Yeah. So,
so cute.
hold him up there. Alright, so you can see his legs are spread apart right there. I'm going to take this, right below. Oh, I need to rip this again. This is too thick.
Squeak, squeak, squeak,
All right.
squeak. He was up all night.
So I got this little narrow piece here. I'll go right there and back to itself. And I'm going to take this one. Alright, to where it's like, you can see it's kind of holding his legs together there. Poor guy.
He's shaking.
It's okay, sweetness. Yeah.
Alright, we need to probably take him out now and show him to the feed and show him to the water. And so he can get some food in him and get some strength back.
Alright, you ready? You are so cute. You are. You have a crazy sibling out there. Did you know that?
It's a sibling?
Yeah.
How do you know something's
Alright,
mommy?
let's get on out there. What is that psycho doing over there?
Watering my flowers.
Oh, I'm like, the whole porch is soaking wet. He's soaking wet. It's just chaotic over there. I didn't know what was going on.
He's helping me.
Oh, it looks like he's getting a lot done. All right, we're gonna take this thing in here. We're gonna take this thing in here and place him gently inside that little brooder we have. And yeah, here we go. Snake right there.
I'm holding the baby. Is it really?
No, I was just,
Idiot!
Oh my gosh. Seriously, my heart started pounding.
I meant to get,
Adrenaline in my legs.
I meant to get Hallie, and Lindy was closer than I thought, but that's pretty funny. All right, well, there he is. Hopefully he recovers. We'll keep you guys up to date on this little guy. We'll check on him in the morning. We may put him in a shoebox tomorrow or something inside where we can keep a closer eye on him if he's not able to get around and get to the food. Alrighty guys, well that's a pretty quick way to help secure the legs on any small chicken, turkey, quail, whatever you may have. You can use tape. Some people have used band-aids. Cut a band-aid in half on the video I watched. And just wrap it around the leg and stick it back to itself. Pretty easy to do. We're going to see how this works. Big thanks to Cassie over at Walker Farm Fan for sending us that video and kind of showing us how to do it. So hopefully this little thing will recover and we can add some more turkey to the homestead. You don't like the skin? What's wrong with you, boy?
It's soft.
Well, good morning, everybody. We're munching on peaches here. Look at all of our maters we got here. So we're gonna go hit the jalapeno plants, grab a few peppers, and we got some cilantro in here, lime,
Onion.
whoa, there we go. We're gonna make some salsa. Y'all ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
What's that all about? He's a weirdo.
I did my peek.
I don't care. Alrighty, kiddos, you ready?
Yeah.
Here's what we need to do. We need you guys to try them peppers again and let us know which one's the hot one and which one's not.
I'm out.
Can you do that?
I get some milk.
Alright.
If we get a big glass of chocolate milk after.
Maybe.
A big glass. We got our garden cat. Oh my.
Honey, what you got? Hey, don't eat that, honey. No, don't eat that. It'll burn
can eat this.
it'll burn your mouth.
Eat this.
Well, bite it.
Banana spider. Sorry. Oh my gosh.
Scare you?
Yes.
Where?
I reached right through its web.
Move, honey.
We need to find a clip.
Oh, yeah.
I'll go through this way.
Hot.
What, buddy?
Hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Does anyone else pull their tomatoes off just a little early? I do. If I see one like this that doesn't have any holes in it yet from bugs, it's going to the windowsill pronto. I'm not going to lose it.
I got a good
I got a cricket.
bunch.
Oh, wow, yeah.
I got a cricket.
They're finally producing. Let's put that right there.
I got a cricket. 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 Banana spider.
Oh, you feed it.
It's a really small one.
Cool. Let's see.
Make sure you get
Hold
the
on.
web.
Hold on.
Let's look at them there.
A pepper.
Okay.
They went through it.
So some of you guys have been around for a while know we used to have a pet. I call it a pet.
I think we just called it Charlotte, didn't we?
Banana spider. And the kids used to catch grasshoppers and crickets every day and feed it. All right, guys, we're going to head in and make some salsa. So, we've already made one batch. Lindy would not let me video until we made a batch. Just she didn't want like this to be put on Fell Army or anything. But we did almost have something that was on Fell Army. The lid was off after we were kind of making some adjustments, putting some more salt and pepper in there. Little Hudson's just tall enough to reach his hand up and hit that button with the lid off of it. And salsa came out. Luckily, it just like he just hit like a little bump and it didn't like push the button in and stay on, or we'd have salsa all over these walls. And then he turns around and claps his hand and smiles and says, "Yay!" So I don't know what we're gonna do with that kid, but
Can I squeeze it?
we have one bowl of salsa made here. Smells delish.
It's really good.
Lindy's gonna try to make. Hold on, don't hit that button yet. Lindy's gonna try to make some. She's gonna try to make some chunkier salsa now. So.
I just don't know which button to use.
What do you mean?
Oh, just pulse it, maybe.
Yeah.
But maybe I get the spoon and leave the lid off. I gotta get the seeds off this.
What for?
I can't put the seeds in.
You know what I mean? And then just kind of like.
Maybe not do the tomatoes on the bottom. Maybe there's too many tomatoes in there. They're too juicy. It's making it runny.
Okay, let me mix it.
Yeah, you want,
There we go.
you want to put the raw onion, the hard stuff in the bottom.
That's what I did wrong.
Made that, and then the tomatoes will fall down there.
Gotta glue
That
them
looks
back
pretty good.
together.
Oh yeah, baby.
Let me see. Oh! Oh yeah, they're chunkier. I got that. I don't scoop it. I just dip it and like get all the stuff off of it.
Okay. Spicy.
Is it hot?
Spicy.
Ah! Spicy.
Spicy.
That was the whole jalapeno one, huh?
Spicy.
Not bad.
It's just that much.
I barely got any. It's actually not bad.
My bite was.
I barely got any. I didn't. Daddy, I barely got any.
Lindy, Michelle, what are you doing?
No, you're taking the lid off.
Oh my gosh. That was almost terrible.
Again.
Not bad.
Alrighty, well. How was it, sis?
It's a little spicy when you first put it in your mouth, but then it's not. Not bad.
Honey? Try to chip here.
Did you put garlic, salt, and black pepper?
I put garlic.
That's got a little kick to it. It's alright though. So tell everyone what you did here.
And this one?
Yeah, sure.
I had 2 large tomatoes,
2 large tomatoes,
half of a white onion,
half of water,
1.5 jalapenos.
1.5 jalapenos.
I took the seeds out.
Should let the seeds in.
I just did a scoop of this minced garlic, 'cause that's all I had. Half a lime, salt and pepper, cilantro to your liking. I did more in the first batch.
Oh no, this
Okay.
last one was green.
Yeah, that's been it.
And chips.
There you have it.
And chips.
Pulse it. Pulse it.
And chips.
Alrighty, well the salsa turned out,
Pretty good.
yeah, pretty good. As you guys saw, probably on the counters, we got quite a bit of vegetables already, extra, so it doesn't go to waste. We've already told the kids everything extra. They help in the garden, they help do chores. Everything extra we have, they sell, they get to keep the profits. So we're going to set up here down the road. They want to set a table up, so they're going to set the table up and see if they can sell some. It's probably going to be tough. It's July 3rd. It's noon.
Hot.
It's hot. probably not a lot of traffic going to be coming down this road. But
Maybe.
if they make a couple sales, they'll be happy, right? Huh?
Oh, dang it, look.
Yeah, car's coming. How's it going, kiddos?
We just started.
Terrible, bad. Blah, blah, blah.
Shark.
Well, guys, what is going on? Look at our table. It's pretty much gone, and this is table number 2.
3, I thought.
2. So they've made
$80.
$80 so far, and we've been out here less than an hour. So that is pretty good money.
Okra's gone.
Okra's gone.
Peppers are gone.
What's gone?
The peppers.
Peppers. The okra's gone. We got
Had to restock
6 cucumbers, 3 squash, and 4 tomatoes left. That is it. So yeah, we are selling out quick. So kids are going to be super stoked. So you guys will not believe how much the kids made in about an hour and a half selling vegetables out here. Some of you guys follow us on Facebook. You saw we made a little post, but it was just the neighbors in this area stopped by, a lot of it, and we didn't have any set price on anything. It was kind of take what you need, leave whatever donation you want type deal. And we sold, I don't know, I think we reloaded the table twice, but they made like almost $170 in an hour and a half. So they got to split that money. Not sure what they're going to spend it on, but yeah, that was pretty cool. They were super stoked. Every time a car would slow down, they'd get all excited, turn and look and smile, and yeah, so it was a cool deal. So next year we may be expanding our garden. But that's all we got on today's video. I'd like to thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. If you guys have not subscribed to our channel at Morehead Homestead, please subscribe and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Till next time, God bless.